This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with a single sticky note. Fold it in half horizontally to find the center, then unfold. Next, fold one corner toward the center mark to form a rounded lobe. Repeat on the opposite corner so you have two mirrored folds that meet at the center. Once done, crease sharply so the paper holds shape. Make sure the sticky edge is accessible. You'll use it to secure the ring later. This gets the basic heart geometry ready for shaping into a ring. You now refine the heart and create the ring band. If needed, trim tiny curves at the top corners to smooth lobes. This reduces bulk. Then fold the bottom of the sticky note up and roll or curl the remaining strip into a slim band roughly 3 to 5 millimeters wide, testing fit on your finger. Once the band sits well, position the folded heart on top, centering both lobes. Make sure edges align so the heart sits flat and looks symmetrical before final adhesion. You finish by securing the band and locking the heart in place. Peel the sticky strip to attach the band ends, or use a tiny piece of tape or a small glue dot under the band where it overlaps. Once fastened, slide the ring on and check comfort. If it's tight, gently widen the band with your fingers. If the heart flop occurs, recrease the lobe folds and add a microscopic tape dot beneath each lobe. Make sure the adhesive sits flat so nothing snags or peels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.